Meaning of dinero.
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 Dinero. Dinero is a Spanish word that translates to money in English. It refers to a medium of exchange used to buy goods and services. In most societies, money is essential for basic survival needs, such as food, clothing, and shelter. The concept of money has evolved over time, from bartering to coins, to paper notes, and now digital forms. While the form of money may change, its fundamental role remains constant, to facilitate transactions and allow individuals to exchange value. Thus, dinero is a critical component of modern society and plays an integral part in our daily lives.